Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate buffer account detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your buffer account, start by visiting the buffer website. Look for the sign up button on the home page and click it. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password to secure your account. Once you have filled in your information, click on the Get Started button. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the buffer website. Now, you may be asked to select a plan that suits your needs. Choose between the free trial or one of the paid options. After selecting a plan, proceed to enter payment details if required. Fill in the necessary billing information, if applicable. Review your selections and click on the Activate Account button. Your buffer account is now activated. You will be taken to the dashboard where you can begin setting up your social media accounts. Connect your social media profiles, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Follow the prompts to authenticate each account. Once connected, you can start scheduling your posts immediately. Explore the features offered in your buffer dashboard to maximize your social media management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.